Hi guys, I hope you have been doing great. If you have a problem with reading scripts, well, I've got a very interesting solution for you. If you guys are wondering how do all those newscasters and politicians be able to remember their script, well, I don't think they really do. They had a teleprompter right in front of them, just like the one that we're going to be reviewing today, but it's much smaller. So we're going to be reviewing the Parrot Teleprompter today. This teleprompter fits into almost any DSLR or mirrorless lenses out there, from 49mm to 82mm adapter ring size. I'll be testing it on my A7 II with the 16-35 Carl Zeiss wide angle lens today, and we're gonna see how it works and how the setup is being done. So before we officially unbox and try to put it in my A7 II, let me show you some interesting B-rolls of how it's being fitted together. So let's open this baby up. So the first thing when you open up and see is this controller over here. This controller allows you to adjust the speed of your script from the application of Parrot itself. Alright, here is the teleprompter itself. It comes in a very neat packaging with a cover at the back. So when you open it up, you're able to see the glass elements on it. Alright, for me to give you a perspective of how it looks on a normal camera, let me put this on the camera right here to be able to see if there's any reflection that you're able to see. Lastly, we have all the adapter sizes right here, from 49mm to 82mm. Let's try to fit this into my A7 II right now. My A7 II has a 72mm filter thread. Where's the 72? Alright, so here it is, the 72mm filter thread. So I have to take my teleprompter right here, remove the back cover, and slide it right here. Voila! So let's move on to the application that requires for you to be able to use this teleprompter. So before moving further, you will definitely have to download the Parrot application. So how does the control exactly help you with the speed of the script right here? So as you can see, there are different buttons on the remote control. So you can actually speed it up and increase its speed, or make it slow for that matter. This control is really useful if you are actually far away from your teleprompter. In the in-app application, you're also able to adjust the font size, so depending on where do you sit and how far you are able to perceive the words that's coming out. One thing I have to mention is that you have to adjust your focal length to up to 30mm so that you won't be able to see the teleprompter in it. Let me show you a video of how it looks with the 16mm and when I adjust to the 30mm. This is my lens for the teleprompter at 16mm, and here it is at 30mm where you cannot see the screen or the teleprompter itself. So how much is this teleprompter? It comes in at about 140 USD, and I would say I really have my money well spent. It allows me to have my interviewees or the people that I video to be able to read from this teleprompter instead of from a script, which hardly all of us can remember the full length of it. So I hope you like this video on this teleprompter. Do leave down in the comments below if you think the price is too steep or if there are other better teleprompters out there. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.